Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm going to do clean with me and decorate with me. So I will be doing this Christmas decorating here in my loft. And this is a part of the collaboration between me and Lady Phoenix of our early Vlogmas. She is hosting this collab between me and her. So what I'm doing over here is I'm plucking those tree. And guys, if you can go over to check her channel and please subscribe to her channel. Here I am using this fairy lights from Walmart, and this is actually synced to the music. So if you have music on, this one will also like dancing. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to style this Christmas tree. And here I'm using everything I have last year. I bought this Christmas tree from Walmart and I'm using these pearl twigs. I'm going to scatter them around my tree. My theme in my entryway is Glam Winter Wonderland, so you guys will see a lot of sparkles in here. Welcome to my Glam Winter Wonderland entryway. I hope you enjoy. So guys, the color that I choose to style here in my entryway is silver, white, and gray, and a little bit of touch of gold. Also, I have crystals, which is my deer and my tree. So all the ornaments in my tree, I've been collecting that for years. Some of it I bought last year from Hobby Lobby, Macy's, and Pier 1. Every time I hear this song, I really miss my family back home. I wish I can spend Christmas with my mom and my brothers. So I have two brothers in the Philippines and my mom. So and also have nephews and niece. So I have, I believe, 5. So I really miss them, and when it comes to Christmas, that's a very big deal for us. because in the Philippines, Christmas is our all-time favorite holiday. Since I get to the States 17 years ago, I never been home for Christmas and I really miss that. I really plan to do that this year, but for some reason something happened in the world, so I can't able to do it. So I really miss my family in this Christmas coming up. Maybe some of you over here are far away from home as well and feel the same way as I am. Just leave a comment below because I would like to hear from you guys. This bird cage right here, I got that from Hawaii and that was like 15 years ago. This Glam wreath, that one from Macy's last year. This butterfly is from Hobby Lobby. That owl right there, that also from Hawaii. And this is my DIY snow globe ornaments last year. These ornaments right here from Pure One. And here is my crystal deer collection. So I ran out of those fairy lights. Last year I put a fairy lights in there and every time the music is on, it seems like my deer is blinking as well. So I'm going to find more fairy lights in Walmart if you have one. And guys, I finally fixed the antler. And here is my mirror tray. I think it's mosaic. And I believe Lady Phoenix had the same thing. Just because this is a glam room, so all my true pillow from the two over there is from Z Gallery and the peace sign pillow is from Home Goods. I got that in clearance last year for $7. My console table from Wayfair. All of my trees from Home Goods. My deer from Big Lots. My crystal tree from Burlington. And my crystal wreath from Macy's. My runner from Pure One. Big mirror from Home Goods. My chandelier from wafer, my curtain from wafer. So guys, mostly in this entryway, I have mixed item from wafer, Value City, my coffee table from Value City, and I really love it because it's huge. So all my table runner and my napkin are inside of that coffee table. Ginger jar and throw pillow from Home Goods. My star from Hobby Lobby. So next area I'm going to decorate is my great room, and that one will be my fireplace, and the theme over there, it will be a little bit of restoration glam, and it will be eclectic in there. So I hope I can pull it through because I'm making experiment to decorate that room. Everyone, I hope you like this video, and I hope you get some inspiration how to decorate your home for the holidays. And in my channel, you know that I love to do a tablescape, a glamorous tablescape from high and low. So mostly from thrifting, and I mix them with some high-end stuff. So you can decorate your house in a budget. Next time, I'm going to show you how to do a tablescape mostly from thrift store and look high-end. Also in my channel, I do shopping haul, thrifting hauls, a little bit of cooking, home decorating, and some DIYs. Guys, don't forget to stop by at Lady Phoenix channel of Really Good Living. Tell her I send you, and please subscribe to her channel and support her as you support me. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell twice, so all the time when I uploaded new videos, you will be notified. Stay tuned guys, because I have so much home decorating during the holidays. And I hope you enjoy and continue to support me. Let me know guys if you like what I did here in my entryway. If this is your style, give me a comments below. And thank you. Also like to know what is your style or your theme this year. I'd like to know guys. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone, and happy holidays, and stay safe.